They want you broke. They want you trapped in a $900 a month payment for a plastic toy that will brick itself the moment the warranty expires. In 2026, the American truck isn't a tool anymore. It's a disposable rolling computer designed to fail. It's an insult to every man who works for a living. But there's a secret that dealers are praying you forget. There is one specific engine sitting in some of your driveways right now that is widely considered a million-mile motor. If you sell it, you're not just making a mistake, you're committing financial suicide. Today, we're exposing the 3 trucks that will quite literally outlast your house. Do not sign that trade-in title until you see this.
Number 3. 2006-2007 Silverado Sierra HD LBZ Duramax. Coming in at number 3 is the legendary 2006 through 2007 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra heavy-duty models, specifically those equipped with the LBZ Duramax diesel. Why this specific 2-year window? Because this represents the absolute pinnacle of General Motors engineering. If you ask any veteran mechanic, they will tell you the LBZ is the holy grail of the Duramax lineage. The escape from emissions. The LBZ was the final version of the Duramax to escape the suffocating grip of the diesel particulate filter, DPF, and the overly complicated diesel exhaust fluid, DEF systems. Today, those systems are the #1 reason trucks end up in the shop. But in 2006 and 2007, GM gave us pure, unadulterated power. The powertrain. We're talking 360 horsepower and a massive 650 pound-feet of torque, and it's all delivered through a bulletproof 6-speed Allison transmission. This transmission actually knows how to handle the load. It doesn't hunt for gears every time you hit a slight incline like the 10-speed units of today. The interior truth. Dealers will tell you these interiors are outdated. Sure, you don't have a 15-inch iPad in the dash, but what you do have are high-quality materials that hold up to decades of abuse. You have physical buttons that a man can actually operate while wearing work gloves. You have a truck that feels like a truck. Number 2. The Legend of the 7.3, 1994 to 2003 Ford Super Duty. Taking the number 2 spot on our list of indestructible legends is the truck that defined a generation of American grit, the 1994 to 2003 Ford F-250 and F-350 Super Duty, equipped with the 7.3-liter Power Stroke diesel. Close your eyes and think about the sound of a real truck working on a crisp morning in the heartland. That unmistakable clatter? That's the rhythm of the 7.3. Born from iron. This engine wasn't designed by a team of suit-wearing accountants at a corporate headquarters. It was born from the heavy-duty heritage of International Harvester. It was built for people who needed a machine that would start every single time, even when the temperature dropped below 0 and the snow was piling up against the barn door. The accidental masterpiece. When Ford introduced this engine, they accidentally created a problem for themselves. They built something that simply refused to die. In a world of modern trucks where your engine is covered by 3 layers of acoustic plastic and controlled by a dozen fragile computers, the 7.3 stands as a monument to mechanical honesty and brute force. The contrast. Today, Ford will try to sell you a truck with a tiny engine and twin turbos that is stressed to its absolute limit just to merge onto the highway. But back in the golden age, we had 7.3 liters of cast iron displacement. That engine barely feels like it's working, even when you have a 20,000-pound gooseneck trailer hitched to the back. Number 1. The Unrivaled King, 1994-1998 Dodge Ram. Finally, we have arrived at the number 1 spot. For anyone who truly knows the difference between a real tool and a disposable toy, there was only ever one choice for the king of the mountain, the 1994 through 1998 Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500, powered by the legendary 12-valve Cummins 5.9-liter turbo diesel. This machine is not just a truck, it is a masterpiece of industrial engineering that the modern world is desperately trying to erase from your memory. Why? Because it represents a level of freedom that the big manufacturers simply cannot control. The P-pump power. We are talking about the famous 6BT engine equipped with the mechanical P7100 injection pump. This setup is widely considered by every master mechanic in the country to be the most reliable piece of iron ever bolted into a consumer vehicle. Mechanical purity.
In an era where every truck sitting on a dealership lot in 2026 is a ticking time bomb of software glitches, the 12-valve Cummins stands alone. This engine does not need a computer to tell it how to run. It does not need a complex network of electrical signals to decide when to fire. It doesn't need a satellite connection to keep its systems active. It is a pure, pressure-driven force of nature. The million-mile motor. When you pop the hood, you aren't met with a mountain of plastic or a rat's nest of delicate wiring. Instead, you're looking at a simple, honest, heavy-duty inline-six. It was built with the same indestructible philosophy as a locomotive or a commercial tractor. It laughs at the concept of a warranty because it's a million-mile motor.
At the end of the day, you have to decide who you want to be, an owner or a debtor. The three trucks we talked about today, the LBZ Duramax, the 7.3 Power Stroke, and the 12-valve Cummins, are not just old pieces of iron. They are your ticket out of a system that wants you constantly upgrading and paying for repairs that should not even exist. If you are ready to stand against the tide of disposable vehicles, do us a favor and hit that like button. It helps other owners find this message. Share this video with a friend who is about to make a massive mistake at a dealership. You might just save their financial life. Stay smart, stay informed, and never stop demanding the quality you deserve. Your support keeps this channel as a lighthouse of truth in a market full of noise. I'll see you in the next one.